Rune crafting. Everybody hates it. But why? I've found a method that maybe will make you like rune crafting. Now, admittedly, this method does have a lot of rather steep requirements. One of them being this colossal pouch. It's not necessarily a requirement, but a divine rune pouch helps a lot, as you're going to need runes for NPC contact, and it gives you somewhere to put the runes that you're making, in this case nature runes. You're also going to need an achievement diary cape, the full Raiments of the Eye set, a charged ring of endurance, and penance gloves. Now you may be wondering, why do I need penance gloves? Why can't I use graceful gloves? Well, the penance gloves, with a full inventory and everything else equipped, keep you at 0 kilograms, so your run energy does not deplete faster. I also bring a butterfly net with me, because right outside of this altar is a rare impling spawn area, and if I scout it, it's just, my hands are open anyway. It's nice to have the net with me. And I'm banking so often that it makes it easy to just grab an impling jar out of the bank and go make some money real quick. Anyway, let's get into the method. So the diary cape itself lets you teleport to 2 main locations. We have Desert Jar and Karamja Caleb Paramaya. He's retired, apparently. Now, the method itself, rather simple. Just fill your inventory with rocks, run to this altar, turn it into money. Since we're here, we'll show you what it looks like. Now, I did just repair my pouch, so I have about 8 laps, so I'll show you what 8 looks like real quick and how quick it takes. there we have it. That was 8 inventories. Took pretty much no time, honestly. If you need a comparison, I can show you how long 8 inventories of the previous method is, but most of us know. If you do want a comparison, go ahead and comment in the video, let me know, and I'll post a different one showing this method and the older method to showcase the difference between the two. But yeah, this is a pretty cracked method, so thanks for watching, like the video, have a good day.